Hello, divas. So, this is for you. If you are considering a nutrition plan, you are considering something to help you manage your weight loss journey, or even your weight maintaining journey, or you want to gain muscle, this video is for you. We are busy, divas. We work, we go to school, we take care of our kids, we take care of our families, we run a business, and sometimes nutrition is off. Our nutrition is off because we're so busy. We grab whatever we can grab to eat, and that is bad. Nutrition is the biggest part of weight loss, the biggest part of maintaining your weight or gaining muscle. And a lot of us fail this journey because we don't know how to manage nutrition very well. We hear so much information about nutrition, what we need to eat, what we need to do. At the end of the day, divas, there's no secret. There's no secret powder, pill, nothing to really help you. You just have to eat the right food, the right time, stay committed, and stay consistent for you to see your results. That's it. You have to listen to your body and feed it what it needs when it needs. Don't just feed it anything. Don't just feed it empty calories. Feed it nutrition-dense food that's going to give you the right vitamin and minerals. Because we're so busy, it's hard to make time to cook or to meal prep. We just want something on the go. And I am the same way. And that is why this nutrition plan that I'm going to share with you is going to help you as it helped me with my journey. As a busy mom, a wife, a business owner, I am on the go. I need something to grab and go. And because of this nutrition plan, I was able to lose, maintain, and build because of this program. Okay, and this program that I'm talking about is Herbalife, ladies. Herbalife Nutrition. Herbalife Nutrition been around for many, many years. It's a health and wellness company that provides nutrition, vitamins, coaching to help members reach their goal. All right, so just to get right into it, this is the plan that I started with right here. This is the basic plan. Shake, aloe, and tea. That's it. That's it. Let's start with the shake. The shake itself has 21 vitamins and minerals, fiber, protein to help keep you full and satisfied. So this is a meal replacement. Meal replacement. You can replace your breakfast, lunch, or dinner with a protein shake, with a Herbalife protein shake. This protein shake, I'm gonna turn it around. This is all the vitamins. It has vitamins and minerals, 21 vitamins and minerals. This is the amount of calories it have just with water, 2 scoops with water. This is the amount of calorie it has with non-fat milk, and this is with milk, okay? This is what you need to start your journey. If you're someone who's busy, if you're someone who has problem with nutrition, you don't know what to eat, when to eat, this is what you start with. This is going to help you. 2 shakes per day, either for breakfast or for lunch, or you can have it for lunch or for dinner. You choose the one meal you want to have. Are you a breakfast person? You love to eat eggs and toast and waffles. Or are you a lunch person? You love to have your salad, your protein, your drinks. Or you're a dinner person, you want to sit down with your family, have a great meal. So you choose the meal you want to replace. I replace breakfast with shake, and I used to replace my dinner with my shake. So I only have one big lunch. So 2 shakes per day, my lunch. And that was it. And I felt full, I felt good, I felt light. Within the first week of doing this Herbalife shake replacement meal, I lost 10 pounds, just following the routine. Okay? You can make this with water only, or non-fat milk, or plant-based milk, almond milk, rice milk, soy milk. I would suggest having one for breakfast and having a shake for lunch, or depending on your schedule at work, if you're someone who has to be at work and you can only make the shake for breakfast at home, then when you come home, you make another shake. You can have your dinner at your lunch at work. It all depends on your schedule and what would work better for you. You have to figure that out, divas. Okay? So that's that. The tea. This is it. This is the tea. It comes in many flavors. This is the aloe. It comes in 2 or 3 flavors: cranberry, mandarin, and mango. These 2 goes together. Every morning when you get up, after you do your morning routine, you make a cup of tea with this and this. Okay? A half a teaspoon of this and 3 capfuls of this. But if you want the tea a little sweeter, you add more. This is what's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to give you energy. It is going to help cut your appetite. 1 cup of this in the morning and another cup maybe in the afternoon when you feel sluggish, or a cup of this before you go work out is all you need. This is aloe. The aloe is going to help smooth your digestive system. If you're someone who's constipated, you have bloating, you're always bloating, you're always inflamed, the aloe is going to help you. You can put this in your water. You can drink this by itself. As soon as you feel a stomach discomfort, drink some aloe. This is going to help your stomach. You're going to love this product. The tea, again, is your coffee. It replaces coffee. If you're a coffee person, if you're a tea person, this has caffeine. It is going to give you a boost. It's going to give you the boost you need to get throughout the day, to wake up in the morning, to last throughout at work, to work out. This is amazing. These 2 go hand in hand. I like to put them together every morning. This is how I start my day. After I drink some water, this is the second thing I drink. Okay, and when I'm done, I have my first shake. And then I have my lunch, and then I have 2 snacks, and then I have my dinner. Okay, which usually is a shake. The shakes come in different flavors. As you can see, this is a mango pineapple. This is a chocolate, dark chocolate. Okay, this is the protein. This shake has for 2 scoops, you're gonna get 24 grams of protein. 4 scoop is gonna give you even more protein. Protein is very important when you're trying to lose weight. If you're not getting the right amount of protein in your body, you're not going to lose weight. You're not going to gain muscle. Protein helps your hair grow, your nails grow. It helps keep you full. It helps build muscle. It helps repair your muscles after you work out. It's important to put protein in every food that you eat. So if you're replacing this, if you're replacing your breakfast with 2 shakes per day, you're going to get the right amount of protein and vitamins to keep you going, to help you reach your journey, your goal. Okay, divas? So, again, this is what the program looks like. You get 2 shakes, an aloe, and a tea. This is what you need to start your journey. Whether you're trying to lose weight or maintain or build muscle, this is what you need to help you start. Is it forever? No. But this is what you need to be successful with your journey. Sometimes you get bored with the shakes. This book I got on Amazon. It's a Herbalife shake recipe. It is filled with different recipes to add to make your shake so delicious. So delicious. You can add strawberries, bananas, pineapples, parsley, lime, kale, spinach. You can get creative with your shake. It doesn't have to be boring, because this is going to be your life until you get the results you need. Till this day, I still drink my shake. I have a shake per day. I have 1 shake per day, especially after I work out, because when you work out, especially lifting heavy weights, strenuous activity, you are ripping your muscles. The protein is what's going to help repair your muscles. The protein is what's going to help you build new tissue, new muscle tissues. So it's important to have protein in your life. If you're not taking in the right amount of protein, you're not going to see weight loss. You're going to have trouble maintaining your weight, and you're not going to see muscles being built because you're not getting in the right amount of protein. So this makes it easy. So all you have to do, divas, is have 1 shake for breakfast, 1 shake for lunch, or you can have 1 shake for lunch, 1 shake for dinner, or you can have 1 shake for breakfast and have your lunch and your dinner. Healthy lunch and dinner, not just eat anything. I mean healthy. Or you can have one shake for dinner and eat healthy breakfast or eat a healthy lunch. Even if you're fasting, because I fast too. I fast from 7 p.m. at night to the next day, 11 a.m. Okay? Even if you're fasting, you start eating your first meal at 11 a.m. or 10 a.m., you can still do the program. You're eating within the time frame. Okay, so it doesn't affect your fasting. It doesn't affect nothing. This has low sugar, 1 gram of sugar. So even if you have someone who have diabetes and you're afraid of your sugar, this have low glycemic index. It will not it will not harm you. All right, so again, it's up to you. Do your research. And if you're interested in starting the program, really ask yourself, are you ready to come into this program? And if you are, let me know so I can get you started on receiving your first order immediately to start this journey right away. Okay, Divas? Don't think too hard about it. Just do what makes you feel comfortable. If you don't want to start this entire program and you just wanted to try it out for 3 days, you can. There's a smaller package, a 3-day package for only $24, $25. You can try it. It comes with a little shake for 3 days and it comes with a little tea for 3 days, but you won't have the aloe. You won't have the aloe. You'll just have the tea and you can add a little lemon and honey and see how it goes for 3 days. And if it's something that you see you can do, there you go. Then you get the bigger program. All right, Divas, so I hope that this was helpful and informative. If you have any questions about this program to start, you can reach me on my cell phone. I'm available also on Instagram at Fit Diva. Okay, so I hope to hear from you guys.